Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Marin Prep Phase quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event. This the quest from Marin like this. So to complete or to doing the quest, make sure you have already finished the Anis Underground Timer quest, and then after that you will be asked to collect signs from the town residents by completing the quest that will give you. And then in here I will focus on the quest from Marin, and I think it's actually very simple to complete it. First, just track Marin and then just go meet her to accept the quest. You can meet the NPC Marin at the fishing village, this one, and then just tap on merchant specialties like this, and then just tap on leave it to me. And then in here you need to perform any actions with friend or chat with town resident. For example, in here I want to chat with a town resident. For example, I want to chat with Annie like this. You can just tap on wanna chat like this, and just like that, and then just go back to the Marion. Just go back to Marion like this, and then just talk to her again to confirm the quest. And just like that, you will successfully complete the Marion quest, and you'll be get the Marin Signs to complete your underwater expeditions prep. This one. And okay, that's it from this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.